and a 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, relax, 5, 6, 7, and here. We go very slow into the cha-cha. Cha-cha and catch. We lift the girl up, and then we stop on the 4 with the frame. Then I go back 5, and I have the girl in front of me. We both stay on our right leg. Then I push her 6, and I make break 7. Okay? Then I bring her to me, 8, and make connection on my thigh. I need to give a push here, and bring her body weight a little bit forward now. 1, and hold her. Then I go 2, and now with the syncopation to the side, and I'm going to go side, side, top, 3. When I'm here, I'm going to go with the leg 4, prepare, and push with the frame. It looks like I'm doing it with the leg, but I'm doing it in the frame 5. Then she keeps going because she received the push, and I put the leg here 6. Then with the frame, I will put her there 7, and it looks like I'm doing it with the leg, but I'm not. And then I'm here again on the 1. I will change my hand to her shoulder 2 and push and pull it here and free. Stop. Remember to remove your hand a little bit or to go low during the spin and stop. Change the arm or catch directly and then you go 6, switch the body weight, 7 and